My name is Maya, and today I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stretch my arms, open my eyes slowly, and take a deep breath to start my day. Then I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water, brush my teeth, and comb my hair neatly. It helps me feel fresh and ready. After that, I go to the kitchen. I prepare a simple breakfast. Sometimes I have bread with cheese, and sometimes I eat a small bowl of cereal. I always drink a glass of milk to give me energy. Before leaving home, I check my school bag to make sure I have everything I need. I look for my books, my notebook, and my pencil case. Once I'm ready, I put on my shoes and head to school. I walk to school with a calm and happy feeling. The weather is usually cool, and I enjoy the fresh morning air. It's a nice and quiet time. When I arrive at school, I greet my friends politely. I say good morning to everyone I see. Then I go to my classroom. My teacher always says, "Good morning, everyone," and we begin our lessons for the day. We study many interesting subjects. We have English, math, science, and more. I listen carefully to my teacher, take notes in my notebook, and always try to do my best in class. It's important to learn something new every day. During the break, I talk with my friends. We share stories and laugh together. Sometimes we play a short game outside if the weather is nice. It's a fun time to relax before our next lessons. After school, I go straight back home. I eat lunch with my family. We all sit together and talk. Then I rest for a little while before starting my homework. In the afternoon, I do my homework. I read my lessons again, solve exercises, and prepare for the next day. I like to finish my work early so I have some free time. When I finish my homework, I can relax. Sometimes I draw pictures, sometimes I watch a short, fun video, and sometimes I help my mum in the house with small tasks. I enjoy helping my family. In the evening, we eat dinner together as a family. This is a very special time for us. We talk about our day, share our thoughts, and enjoy being together. Before bedtime, I have a routine to help me sleep well. I take a warm shower, brush my teeth again, and change into my comfortable pajamas. I sit on my bed for a few minutes and read a simple story. Reading helps me relax my mind after a long day. Finally, I turn off the lights, close my eyes, and go to sleep at 10 o'clock. This is my daily routine. It helps me stay organized, feel calm, and be happy every single day. Having a good routine is very helpful. Thank you for listening to my story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.